What does stop vehicle leave engine running mean? There is an arcane bit of vehicle maintenance jargon that often confuses drivers, and that is the phrase stop shift to P. What does this mean for your car? Causes of stop vehicle shift to P leave engine running error. The dick of your Mercedes may display the message stop vehicle shift to P leave engine running when the vehicle is turned off and the hood is open. The stop vehicle, shift to P, leave engine running error is most likely caused by one of two things. Either the main battery needs to be recharged or replaced, or there is a problem with the wiring between the main battery and the starter. Many people have probably seen the stop vehicle shift to P leave engine running error message on their car's dashboard and wondered what it meant. Alternators are responsible for charging the battery and powering the electrical system when the engine is running. When the alternator fails, the battery will eventually run out of power and the electrical system will fail. The stop vehicle shift to P leave engine running error is a generic fault code that indicates there is an issue with the battery. If the battery is the problem, it will need to be replaced. The first thing to do when you notice a stop vehicle shift to P sign. If you're behind the wheel and notice your check engine light is illuminated, or you see a stop vehicle shift to P sign on your car, the first thing you should do is find a safe place to pull over. The good news is that there is a feature on most models that will allow you to do this. Can you use any battery for Mercedes? Mercedes-Benz batteries are some of the most technologically advanced in the automotive industry. As a result, it is recommended that you use a Mercedes-Benz battery when replacing the battery in your vehicle. It's probably best to just stop turning the engine off if you see the sign. Unless you want to be that person who has to push their car down a hill or spend time and money getting it towed back to your house.